Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send bulk automated messages on Facebook in a simple and easy way. This is the interface of the software. The software helps you manage an unlimited number of Facebook accounts. The more accounts you use, the more messages you can send. If you want to send automated messages, just scroll down and select the messaging feature. Here, we configure the settings for the software. Next, enter the Facebook IDs of the users you want to send messages to. This is the list of Facebook account IDs. If you don't know how to get this data file, please check out my previous tutorial video. After that, select the message content you want to send. These message templates need to be added in advance. Next, select the Facebook accounts and click the Start button. The software will automatically send messages to the Facebook IDs you've specified. Please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp if you want to purchase the software.